What is a sentence in English grammar? A sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. With complete thought, we mean it tells us something clearly. It answers who or what is the sentence about, what is happening or being said about them. Matthew is playing. It tells about Matthew, who is playing. That's a complete idea. It is a sentence. If I just say, is playing, this makes us ask, who is playing? So it's incomplete. It is just a fragment or group of words. Same way, just saying the name Matthew, it doesn't tell us what Matthew is doing. It's also incomplete. Next example. The baby is sleeping. We know what is happening and who is doing the action. It is raining outside. My friends are watching a movie. These are examples of sentences that clearly explain what's happening and who is doing. What are the basic rules for a sentence? First, it must make complete sense. No fragments or incomplete idea. Rule number 2. A sentence must have a subject that tells who or what the sentence is about. She is singing. The sun rises in the east. In both sentences, she and the sun are the subjects. The sentences are about them. A sentence must have a verb that tells what the subject is doing or being. She is singing. I like ice cream. It is raining. Each sentence clearly indicates what action is happening. A sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. They are playing. I love pizza. Are you ready? In conclusion, a sentence is not just a bunch of words. It must make sense, have a subject and a verb, and correct punctuation. In our next lessons, we'll explore the different types of sentences and learn each one in detail. Don't forget to practice the quiz on sentences, their rules, and everything we covered in this video. Link is attached. See you in the next lesson.